Black cohosh.
Black cohosh. Yeah.
Why do they call it black cohosh?
I have no idea.
Black cohosh.
Yeah.
Cohosh.
It's very good for women, you know,
women's health.
for old women, you know, menopause.
Oh,
So
okay.
you get those pain, those cramps, those kind
This
of
is good for okay.
Yeah.
Puts on a small.
So this I think we
small
start.
root.
Yeah. We started, you know, planting them 2014.
Okay.
So those are the original.
Is it brewed like in a tea? How is it consumed?
They use powder. Things.
Powder?
Yeah.
Put
Really?
on a little rhizome,
Yeah.
a small rhizome.
So you're actually after the root.
Yes.
Oh,
yeah,
so
people
it's-
use the root.
Grind the
They
root
grind
up
the root.
into a powder,
Correct,
and then
yes.
you put it in a capsule or. Put
Okay.
It in,
Yes.
Not the leaf.
Not leaf.
Okay.
You can see
I
it's
guess you
all.
can use the leaf.
Is there any value in the leaf? Like you're saying, could you make tea out of it? Is
I'm
there-
sure. I'm sure people just don't use it.
It's just not as potent as
Yeah.
the root.
So as we speak, I'm buying another 400 plugs of this.
Are you?
So we're gonna pull down here. Oh. We're
Well,
gonna build it up.
So that would be important too to understand all of the things that you want to have, like down to like, you know, like what species are you putting in here? Like what is the dream and the vision?
Yeah.
Because we can make this, imagine this lush, like living laboratory and people come through here and there's signage and you
Exactly.
walk by and you see
Yep.
and you
So
understand.
here's we are building, particularly this old guy, okay? I'm building for the 20, 30 years down the road. I will be still around.
I know
Okay,
that's
you
right,
know
Dr.
that,
Yang,
okay?
and still walking better than
For
me.
those young folks, okay? You
Yeah.
know, he's younger than you, right? He's much younger. So,
He doesn't
for
look,
him-
he doesn't look it though.
No. You know, so maybe 65 years older, okay? So, you know, if you compare the white hair, you know, he got a lot more than I do, okay?
Yes.
So
He
but-
still got a lot of
so
it though.
That's really for him and
Yeah.
also for the next generation. So that's what he sees us in the 30 years later, you know. We try to build up the A&T and also culinary egg and the farm.
Yes.
You can open the door up.
So
Okay.
There should be a set of keys there. The key that's got a red tag on
Then we
it,
have an
red
extra
rubber.
part that Doc didn't mention to you. We have a trailway I established probably about 2 years ago. It's maybe,
On the right.
what you think, about half a mile long? The trailway?
Oh yeah. All
I don't think they have to
property. So we have another piece of property down. Well, we don't have the property.
Some of
Okay, we
that
use
stuff,
that piece.
of
We
course,
using
comes
our physiological study.
Okay.
Plant physiology study.
Okay.
Color shape. Maybe you can drive
Like
down there.
over in the
Yeah.
corner.
It's still there, right?
Yeah, it's still there.
So we just drive.
I'm trying to get Dr.
We try to get it easy to using the gator from here along the fence and go there directly access to our field.
Okay, so you all been clearing it out and see other
It's
trip.
already clear, but it's very bumpy.
That sounds like like fun.
Yes.
And once again, thanks to everything to the superintendent.
We know when they're coming.
He make our life.
He makes it, yes. He took Mr. Moses' position then.
Yes.
Okay.
So once again, see down here, if you go see from that side, it's different. Okay, I mean you look down. So once again, this is clear at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
So used to be there's a lot of trees down here, just cleared. So we make 5 layers terracing.
Yeah.
So they'll be for ginger.
do a terrace and stuff. It's still in its early stages, but try
It
to
almost reminds me of like the rice paddies in these Chinese where you would have these things stacked and using the topography and the land in order to capture the water before it drains out, utilize it, let it to flow over and weir flow over.
So the goal is we try to link our ginger research since we have been doing ginger for 10, 11 years.
Dr. I did not know you were a landscape architect, Dr. Yang. Look at this. Look at you.
I did not know either. I just do, okay? So, but anyway, we try to, make a good use of our, research findings, from our farm to the stakeholders down the mountains, because they have a lot of land, woodland, not a whole lot of farmland. So I think they can maybe clear, some woodlands here and there, so make it terracing. Because from our last 2 years pilot study, we got produced maybe about roughly about a pound.
about a pound. Yeah.
So with our tissue culture ginger seedlings, so I mean you can sell some dollars.
You can sell
Basically,
something.
It's maintenance free. Of
Yeah.
course, this part costs you your labor, those kind of things.
Yeah, but after that
We
it's
just
established.
grow. No, just for the last 2 years, we don't even water.
Oh, really? So it's everything is just self.
It's all self. We don't even do fertilization. Everything natural. So you just come here, spend some labor, stick them in the ground, and a year later, not a year later, a few months later, about 6 months later, you harvest. You got some ginger.
Do you normally plant ginger with a cover crop? Is there like a particular, are there plants that have synergies with ginger?
Well, the ginger, that's you're talking about the alley cropping.
Yes.
So they are like the shade.
Mm-hmm.
Here we already have the shade already.
Gotcha.
We use the natural shade.
So you don't need it.
It's too much shade. That's why we clear the land.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Okay.
So this year, since we've already done so much already layer, so we're going to add more compost down here. So this is 5 layers terracing. We plant our ginger seedlings here.
Where are you getting compost from?
We purchased from Brooks contractors.
You all
That's where the farmer has
purchase compost?
Yeah.
Is there a particular compost that you need for ginger?
No, not necessarily.
100% organic.
Yeah.
We can't do that at the farm? No.
So here's terracing, and then on both sides right now the plant, since we have a lot of those 50-gallon tubs, you know, the what do you call those things?
Water trough.
The water troughs. So we're gonna get a few, you know, maybe this way, a few just occupied
To
space.
frame it?
Yes.
This could be a project too, Dr. Yang.
Yes. What is your suggestion? Your
Yeah.
professional suggestion? If you could give it to us, and then, but not here. Okay. This would be like this.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. But how do we frame it and
On
keep
the
this so we
side.
can occupy it? Yeah.
Exactly.
So bring people to understand it, to this controlled bed, to be able to flow in and out. I would have signage describing what's
So far
happening.
you see is the farmer's view.
Yeah.
Farmer's perspective. That's us. Okay.
Yeah.
So we want the landscape architect view
Yeah.
perspective.
Awesome. We got you.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. We should have been out here a long, long time ago.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, but I'm slow. I had to work piece of.
No, we should have been. Yeah.
Step by step. So.
No, we should have been out here. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's just beautiful to be
Yeah,
out here too.
usually there's a lot of trees again. Okay. I mean, thanks, Mr.
So you're just giving him the plans and he's pretty much doing it for you?
Pardon?
You're just giving him the plans and he's pretty much...
Yeah, well, we talk with him, just say, where
What can you do?
to clear it, so he helped clear it all.
That's awesome. So we can do all that and all that's in-house?
Yes.
Okay.
So, and then we and I, he and I talk all the time, every day, So that's why I say, hey, how about we use Chris? The landscape architecture student, maybe capstone student come over to build something,
This will be exciting, yeah.
How long ago? Several months ago, right?
Yeah.
We'll be cooking this.
Yeah, this is awesome. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's also something real.
Yeah.
So the students, it's something that's real.
Okay, even though I joke, I say I'm going to retire with those young folks 30 years. No, I won't go that long. Okay, but
Yeah.
I want to build something can last.
I got it. I know, yeah. It's like a legacy project.
Yeah.
He said this path goes all the way and winds all the way back around. Okay.
Well, Mr. Superintendent can tell you, so that's all along. Defense, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all property.
It follows. It don't go to the fence over here, but it eventually meets up with the fence.
Okay. And that's residential. Okay.
So just whatever you can come up from your, professional, perspective. So just give a, kind of design and share with all of us.
Yeah, well, as you all could be as involved as you want to be. Again, if we roll this into a studio, we would probably have you all draw with us to really sit down with the plans and say, what do you think, and have the kids ask those important questions.
Yeah, sure, yes. We'll be happy to do that.
It would be the whole thing. But either way, I think we should be part of this, and I want to be part of this.